Ready to unlock a secret weapon to catapult your Shopify store's success? Today, we're diving deep into how to promote your Shopify store directly on eBay, tapping into millions of potential customers you might be missing. First, understand that direct sales aren't the primary goal here. Driving traffic to your Shopify site is. Let's start with cross-promotion. In every eBay listing, prominently feature your Shopify store's URL. Use compelling calls to action like, see our full catalog, or explore exclusive deals only on our website. This encourages eBay shoppers to click through to your Shopify store. Next, optimize your eBay listings. Include keywords relevant to your products and your brand. Consider adding your Shopify store name directly into the title, but keep it concise. For example, handmade leather wallet, more styles at yourshop.com. Time for strategic advertising. eBay offers promoted listings which increase your listing's visibility. Use this feature to target shoppers searching for products similar to yours and gently guide them towards your Shopify store using the techniques we talked about. Track your results. Use Shopify Analytics to monitor traffic coming from eBay. This will help you fine-tune your listings, ad campaigns, and overall cross-promotion strategy. This data-driven approach is key to maximizing your WA. Promoting your Shopify store on eBay isn't about replacing one platform with the other. It's about synergy. It's about leveraging eBay's massive reach to grow your brand and boost your overall Shopify sales. Get started today. #ShopifyEBay #cross-promotion.